Singabangani. Ngingumngani nomngani wenhliziyo yami. Kodwa vele mina nawe singabangani. Sengisho ukuthi kukhona nawe kungakuvimba mangingacela sithandane. Uthando lwami lungamanzi, inhliziyo yami iyimbali. Mangikubona iyaniseleka, it blooms, boom. Wena ulitshali lami, uyagodola umzimba wami, ungisondeze eduze ungibambe like you do. Nduduzo yami, my boo boo. Sengigaxele, sengibambeke, sengithatheke, cha angikhathele, ngizokulinda nalo lolu thando luphelele. Sengikhetha ukulandela le pumputhe luthanda ningiyekele, ngiyamazi lo engimfunayo, ngeke nginqubuzeke ke. Play myself. I was once a wingman. I guess I still am. I honestly think I will be one forever, man. I'm that friend that helps in every situation. I get hurt a lot and never hear sorries. My story. It's the reason why I say I'll end up all alone. Cause at the end of the day, love wins. Everyone settles down and gets kids. Well, I used to pray and wished that one day I'd get to know how that feels. But how when I'm his wingman yet I caught feels? How when I know who he truly loves, so every night I take sleeping pills. Wet pillow, scratched and beaten sheets. I always feel like shit. I fall and break my self-esteem. No wonder I'm so numb. Slow heart pumps, too many drugs, suicidal nights, the heart and brain fights. I guess love is what kills us.